So, how about a volunteer to help me do a short karaoke demonstration? And whoever volunteers for this is going to be the one who spins the Looney's lucky wheel of cash. Who wants to volunteer? I need a volunteer. All right, have a volunteer. A handsome young man. Come on down here, young man. Dance your way up to the stage and take your place in front of the microphone. Let's give our karaoke volunteer a real warm welcome. Get up.
Man, you got
Step
that.
up to the microphone and tell everybody your name.
Mickey Rooney.
That's my biological father's name. So,
Okay.
have you chosen a song you want to sing for us?
No, I'll take my chances on what you can find up
In
there.
that case, the audience will decide what you're going to sing. That's
Okay.
right, the audience. And it's done through a random technique I invented myself called random karaoke. Boy, you guys are getting out there. Thanks anyway. Okay, so here's how we play. Someone in the audience yell up a number between 1 and 10. Okay, now I need another number between 1 and 10. Thank you. Now, as my assistant inputs those two numbers into the computer, which generates the karaoke selection chosen by the audience, you, my unfortunate karaoke volunteer, must prepare to sing the song randomly chosen by the audience. Are you ready?
Ready!
Hey, after your song, you're going to get to spin the Lucky Looney's Wheel of Cash. Are you excited about that?
Sure, I got the winning number right here.
Okay, here we go. How about a big hand for our volunteer karaoke singer?
Oh, yeah. There, move everywhere, move, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with an old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, MacDonald had a farm.
Okay, great job, great job. How about another big hand for our karaoke singer? And let's get another look at that world-class performance, shall we?
E-I-E-I-O, had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
How about a big hand for our volunteer karaoke singer? Here's a few prize tickets for you.
Okay.
Now don't go anywhere. You're going to spin the wheel for us. Okay, are you ready to spin the wheel of cash, my lucky money wheel of cash volunteer spinner over there? Is everyone in the audience ready? Yeah. All we got is a dictate from the people. Spin the wheel! The cash wheel has come to a stop. Do we have a winner? Well, the rules of the game are, if ain't nobody win, we have to spin again.
Let's see that. We're going to see that. Yes, we do. We have a winner. There's Dennis. Oh, going up there, Dennis.
How about a volunteer to help me do a short karaoke demonstration? And whoever volunteers for this is going to be the one who spins the Looney's lucky wheel of cash.
Where's my volunteer?
Who wants to volunteer? I need a volunteer. How about a big hand for our volunteer karaoke singer?
All the little birds on the jaybird tree. Love to hear the robin go sweet, sweet, sweet. Blow rockin' robin, cause they're really gonna rock tonight. A pretty little raven had the bird taught him how to really was grand. They started going steady and bless my soul. Y'all popped the buzzing in the Oreo.
Okay, great job, great job. How about another big hand for our karaoke singer? Let's get another look at that world-class performance, shall we?
Blow rockin' robin, cause they're really gonna rock tonight.
How about a big hand for our volunteer karaoke singer? Now, step up to the microphone and tell everybody your name.
Susie Q.
Hey, that's a great name for you.
Oh, thanks.
So, have you chosen a song you want to sing for us?
No, I don't think so, Winnie Bird. I'm not
In
good
that
with
case,
this.
the audience will decide what you're going to sing. That's right, the audience. and it's done through a random technique I invented myself called random karaoke. Boy, you guys are getting out there. Thanks anyway. Okay, so here's how we play. Someone in the audience yell up a number between 1 and 10.
9. 8.
Okay, now I need another number between 1 and 10.
9.
Okay, here we go. How about a big hand for our volunteer karaoke singer? Okay, great job, great job. How about another big hand for our karaoke singer? Let's get another look at that world-class performance, shall we?
Play that. Just for your embarrassment.
Here's a few prize tickets for you. Now don't go anywhere. You're going to spin the wheel for us. Okay, are you ready to spin the wheel of cash, my lucky money wheel of cash volunteer spinner over there?
Yes,
Is everyone in the audience ready? I'll take down the message from the people. Spin that wheel! The cash wheel has come to a stop. Yell it out. What's the winning number?
29. Who has 29? Oh,
Lucky cash winner, come on down.
up here.
Okay, everybody, take a look at the face of a winner. Let's give our winner the cash and a big round of applause. Okay, that's good. And now let's take a look at all the winners we've had so far the last few days. Roll 'em.
I'll give you one too. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, let's hear it for the rest of us. I won the fair and square $40. Count it, Jamie, everybody, let's give Jamie a great big round. Let's give her a big hand.
Right now, I'm going to go into my unattended mode to give my assistant a break. Let's give my lovely assistant a big hand for doing such a good job today. Now, in the unattended mode, your customers of all ages will enjoy interacting directly with me or whatever custom group of animated characters you may want for your operation. In fact, you could even use marvelously interactive animation without an animated character at all. In that case, what you would have would be something like a kiosk on steroids. Just imagine your mascot in a marvelously animated show like this. And you know the kids are gonna love it. So stick around and enjoy watching what happens now as we turn the controls over to you. This is marvelously interactive Looney Bird. Now signing on to the unattended mode.
Oh, let us build, oh, let us build. Take oh, let us build your teddy bear.
Okay, great job, great job. How about another hand? Shall we? Come on, big hand for our volunteer karaoke singer. Here's a few prize tickets for you. Now don't go anywhere. You're going to spin the wheel for us.
it looks like we have a winner, Looney Bird, right here.
Look at cash winner! Come on down!
Here he comes. Oh, there he is.
Come up to the stage and get your money! Okay, everybody, take a look at the face of the winner! Let's give our winner the cash and a big round of applause! Okay, great job, great job! How about another big hand for our karaoke singer? Now let's get another look at that world-class performance, shall we?
Instant playback.